We're in the middle of Utah, and apparently we had a bird. This is what it looks like.
Got it.
We're probably going to get hit by a tractor truck.
Fucking bird. Goddamn motherfucking bird!
Yeah, that's right, folks. Not burning oil, burning bird. In Utah. Welcome to the great chicken state of Utah.
Oh, fuck.
Don't litter.
Don't litter, what do you want me to do with it?